the ground.
Dave's not good.
Yeah, you failure, hit the road, alright? We don't like the kind around here.
What's going on, Jassy?
What are you doing?
Where are you? Why are you here? Where are we?
We are at Cootamundra Airport.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Why the hell are you here?
Place to have an AU Falcon.
It's a very weird place. So we sort of got into
talk
it.
about it.
We sort of got into it, not sure if we were going to film anything, because I'm sure if you're watching this video by now, you've known that we were at the Hoonigan this versus that thing.
So we out here representing failure.
So there's obviously a bit behind the scenes. So I don't know what people have seen, but she's here, she's freshened up, and she's got some dramas. So what happened, Jesse?
I don't know, it was running really good. Did a fat skid, warm up the tyres. Went to give it a hit. Drag race a car that I don't even know if we can.
I feel like we don't need to say who we had, because
But it had a lot of blower out the bonnet. It was pretty cool. And she's going in a limp mode.
yes,
I don't know why.
yeah,
It's really disheartening.
and they canned you.
They kicked me off the set.
They canned him. So we can't film any other cars or anything, but we're basically here to do some drag racing things. She's looking nice. I do like that side skirt extension going on. She's got some fresh shocks, Jassy.
Yeah, got the Shockworks coils set up. Got the AU House Knuckles, TR6060 gearbox. She was so ready.
MPC spicy twin plate.
Yeah, MPC clutch. She was so ready.
Just
She was feeling really good.
yeah, but it didn't come together.
Disgusting.
So what do we think it is? And we don't know, like, if we're gonna get a pairing still, because
I got kicked off set.
yeah, we basically got kicked off. You're out, son.
Get out of here with your shit, Falcon.
You embarrassed us.
Embarrassment, you're wasting our time.
Not a good start. Anyway, what do you think it is?
Yeah, could potentially be over boosting and running out of map sensor, because the map sensor is only a 2-bar. It's only 14.7 psi of boost pressure it's allowed to see.
I reckon you're wrong.
Jason's trying to wrap his head around that still.
It doesn't make sense. 2-bar. You don't say 2-bar.
We're talking.
I'm saying you can run 2-bar.
Oh, g'day, mate. Mr. Hoonigan.
Do your YouTube thing, I won't bother you.
G'day, Mort.
What's up,
You coming
man?
to tell him that he has to get out? Get out of here. He's out.
Leave!
Get out! You failure, hit the road, alright? We don't like the kind around here.
We don't take kindly to your types in here. Now calm down, Skeeter. He ain't hurting nobody.
You figure it out?
Be over boosting and the map sensors cracking it, because it's only a 2-bar map sensors.
Only 2 bars,
Yeah.
And we've never had it like hook up like this before, and it's never had an issue before. So maybe it's hooking up and getting a little bit extra boost and freaking out.
right.
Doesn't hook
Yeah,
up on
yeah.
the straight.
So you never just do like straight pulls with it?
She's pretty fresh.
Nice. Alright, that makes sense. Needs a little bit of high load tuning.
Yeah. That's what.
What's this? What's going on here? Nos in a can.
Drink. Yeah.
Did you bring that all the way from America?
Yeah, we need it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Have to.
Makes show work.
Yeah, okay.
Dang, man, that's a bummer. You're gonna get her going for later or no?
We'll try to get it going, and if there's a spot free, we'll have another crack, but we'll just see what happens.
Do a bit of it.
Well, 0 for 1 on the keep
Yeah.
it Reet. So got some work for you.
We'll do a bit of a street test and we'll keep you updated and see what happens.
Nice.
Here we go. Taking it to the shops, pick up some shopping. It's pretty cut right now, but look, you get that on the big jobs.
You never know, it might work out, why not? You just don't know.
We just disconnect the boost controller.
Free
Run
boost.
Gate, free boost. Run gate pressure and see if it still goes in that mode.
But after that,
We're going under. You wouldn't go under it.
Fuck, you're fit too.
sorry to get under. Oh, there he is.
Why?
Yeah, weird limmy, huh?
He's running a little lean.
Yeah, maybe it's just lean. Lean
The
freak out.
altitude.
Altitude. Probably should have brought the computer there. Interesting. Is it like just in an RPM? What is?
Yeah, it is an RPM cut. Yeah, it's just
Yeah, on and off fixes. Oh,
Run.
There's a grass grasshopper on our cockroach.
I committed suicide. Unplug the map sensor, plug her back in, see if it's something to do with that or if it's just wigging out.
I can't get to it.
Can't get to it. It's right under. Oh, that's unplugged.
Well, the map sensor's definitely doing something.
It's doing something.
When it gets on boost,
It hates light.
it hates life.
We've had that before, haven't we? Something, you replace something. The
That was
AU,
when
it's got like
that
a
was when it got
igniter
up
pack
to 10.
thing or something else, or the core pack thing.
That was the crank angle sensor
Oh,
when
yeah.
it got up to temp.
Maybe unplug that as well. Huh?
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah, so I need a cleanup service and a doctor or whatever.
Oh, we made some calls, Jess.
Yes, they're called the expert in the trade.
Who's that?
Bunnings. Jason from Tower Performance. So we're running his J3 chip, and
He knows AU things.
he definitely does. Him and Bill Hooton, them the dudes.
Bill
But
Hooton.
The theory is, I think the ECU is being told that it's in gear, so it's looking for a vehicle speed sensor, which it doesn't have. I feel like it was jerry rigged up somehow before to avoid that, but
Because it never did it have a speedo before?
no. Oh, maybe it did.
Yeah, it might have.
So I gotta trick the ECU down.
Thinking that it's
Thinking
in
that it's
neutral
in
or something?
neutral,
Yeah.
I think that's gonna be the go. If it thinks it's in neutral, it might not freak out.
The more you fuck around, the more you're gonna find out.
Hey, the more you fuck around, the more you find out. And we're finding out
at
at a massive fin.
The pairing we had was pretty shat anyway, so if we work it out, we get paired with something better. And it's not a bad thing. It might be alright. It'd be a better race.
We really just did them a favour because we were against 1,000 horsepower blown methanol fed burnout car that was on 295 full slicks, so
Now we might get a better pairing.
we were doomed in the beginning.
Oh, we'll pack her up and have a play around, and we'll get right back to you. Update: we're in the bushes. That's
We're hiding in our shame and embarrassment. Oof, AU looks spiked though. Look on. Ah! No.
God, you wouldn't try it. You wouldn't risk it.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oof, look at that.
Oh, go figure. Look at that. Oh, look at that.
Side skirt. Ooh. You're on the ground, bro. Oof. You're on the ground.
Jay's got tunes.
Yeah, mate. We are here. Hopefully I can work it out. Bill Hooton seems to think that you can disable it in the ECU chip.
Yeah, that'll be easy.
But Jason from TI didn't mention anything about that, so I'm a little bit doubtful, but we're going to have a crack. We're going to open her up and...
Open her up. Pack into the main frame. 1,000 likes and Jassy takes a bite. Oh. Jassy just got back from a drive.
Oof!
Ooh, why are you cleaning it?
Because I fixed it.
What happened?
Well, thanks to Bill Hooton for Hooton harnesses. Oh, that's really loud. We're waiting for that to finish.
So what happened? You didn't finish explaining.
Race. Yeah, I didn't finish explaining before we got rudely interrupted.
What's going
ECU was
on?
going into limp mode because it wasn't reading a vehicle speed sensor.
Speed. Gearbox.
Gearbox.
Swap.
New gearbox.
Rookie.
Amateur. Hour. These things are so weird. They have so many inhibitors and just
I don't understand. It's not even a new car. It's an old shat car.
But thanks to Bill, we wired the tacho output from the ECU into the vehicle speed sensor input on the ECU.
Nice.
Because they have the similar wavelength things and
Okay.
anyway, it thinks it's seeing speed.
Yeah.
So it stops dogging the boys
Hopefully.
and she's on.
It's time to race
Time
someone.
to race. Now we're gonna hassle them. We're gonna get this bad boy out there. Be cool to go against that thing sitting on the SKFs, but we'll see what happens.
You just
Fingers
can't know.
crossed in this video the AU will be racing.
I got a race.
Redemption.
Redemption.
We need it. Let us redeem
We have
ourselves.
to.
Our souls.
We have to. Up and Jassy. We got paired up. It's on, Jassy. Make it rain. They're putting the pressure on.
winning's winning.
I wonder if the diff broke. Should have seen it hop before, god dang.
You break the diff or what?
AU, baby. All day, every day.
That's disgusting.
Jason's like behind the camera the whole time. Every time I'd let the clutch go.
Yeah, come here. Going for a roll race this time to give him a bit of warning. See what happens.
That helped him.
That helped him. He got some traction that time. Still close. AU Falcon for law. You love it.
Some traction that time.
Oh, mate. Oh, thanks for the
It's got some power.
Getting the prime location.
Yeah, we're upstream from the wind.
Tail shaft be gone.
No! Look at it up in there.
No! God, please, no!
Rookers, I told her not to dump that clutch.
Every time I'd let the clutch go.
What a rook.
That fucking wheel hop, dude. I think that wheel hop did it in.
Bad.
Tail shaft be gone. Told ya. Don't dump it.
It's just throwing those tyres off. You can see the tyres just flying off.
Oh, what the hell's that?
Yo, did the blower explode?
Oh my lord, what is going on? That's
What
not
the
tire.
fuck is that?
That's rim in ground.
Oh, what happened? Pull it to the ground. Oh, fuck.
I was wondering what was flying around. He's alright.
Look at this. I ain't never in my life. Dude, this is like a...
I think the runway is broken, Jassy.
Don't know if you're... Let's get Andrew's reaction.
Andrew reaction.
Bit of a dilemma here.
What the fuck?
And threw the tyre off, must have yeeted. I don't know how that happens.
This is the part where you're glad you didn't post it.
Just put a little bit of stuff in it.
Yeah, fill it in.
Yeah, fill it in, bit of dirt.
That's what I get to still, right?
Did you fall off the back of it, Jas?
Yeah, I wasn't ready for him to take off.
You gotta always be prepared, but he's on the throttle on and off.
Can't believe we can't drift together.
Yeah, you were about to drift it. I was gonna say, just ease into, like, throw it into the corner first. Like, throw it into the first initiation. Too much crack.
There's a lot going on.
Cracked under crack.
I cracked.
Peter, what are you doing? Crack? What the f? Hey, at least I'm not drinking, Brian.
Goddamn Jassy. Rookers. Twisted the dog. Alright, so
Too much talk.
So much torque, the chassis twisted coming off the line.
Holy snapping tail shaft!
We're still S1CKO, so it's alright.
yeah, that's alright.
Yes.
It came here to do.
It's got a
It did what it came here to do.
265 140 treadwear tyre on it.
Yeah, it's like one of the top level drift tires, so it needed to be babied into the drift,
Yeah.
but you were a bit harsh on the gear.
Maybe harsh on the gear.
I've seen the way you drive. You got a heavy foot.
Go snappers, but
Snappers.
we still did what we came to do.
So she won't be drifting, but she'll be on
most part.
display at the next event. She'll be
Yep.
good.
We came, we saw, we chopped cunnies. Yeah, no, it was good fun. Bagging gears in this thing.
Yeah, cool to meet the Hoonigan Garys.
Yeah, cool to be a part of something like this.
Yeah,
Cool.
yeah, good weather.
This thing's cool. Feels cool.
Yeah, how's the new suspension feel? Good. It's not too soft, or you had it soft set up?
Hard to tell, really.
Hard to tell until you draft
Straight
it.
line.
God dang it.
But she cooks. The power skid was fun.
Yeah.
Click second on the brake.
Yeah, she loves it. All the talk.
She blazes.
She spins those 265 R1s, no worries. She'd be ready for Battle Royale in no time.
Bloody oath.
Alright, sign her out, Coggo.
Alright, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Probably a little bit all over the place and a little bit average, but this is the BTS of the Hoonigan. This first. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. True.
How'd she go, mate?
That's definitely a once in a lifetime thing.
Yeah.
You probably got a photo of the wheel and that. But
Yeah. Oh, no, I didn't see the wheel.
have a look. It's split the center, bro. So
Split the centre.
look.
Oh, my lord.
So it's gone through each one. It's held on the studs.
Jesus.
So they'll be going up on the wall.
Yeah, definitely will be. Was it just the tyre that just let go?
So
Bad?
as I was coming up, just let go and then it keeps sliding and all of a sudden just
Dug right in.
Felt. It was concrete. Or
Did it pick the car up a bit at all?
Oh, bro. I was like,
What is going on?
my helmet is like, nah, it's pretty wild, man.
An experience.
Yeah, back's a bit sore. Wouldn't do it again.
Wouldn't recommend it.
Toast to the homies that could never see the light, and the haters that forever see my ghost. What a night, man. Oh, you wanna know who I am? Oh, you wanna know?